In dermatology, we don't just treat skin rashes and moles, we also treat conditions of the hair like alopecia and conditions of the nails like a nail fungus. Some of the most common conditions that we treat in dermatology are going to be acne, rosacea, warts, nail fungus, eczema, psoriasis, vitiligo, and then skin cancers like your basal cells, your squamous cells, and melanoma, and then some complicated autoimmune conditions like lupus of the skin or blistering disorders. In dermatology, we treat all ages of skin from newborns for their birthmarks to all the way to the elderly patients where skin cancer is more of a concern. In between, we see our teenagers for their acne or various other skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. I always recommend an SPF of 30 or greater for everyday use, especially on the face. Sunscreen is for everybody, even if you don't typically burn. The right sunscreen is basically the one you're willing to put on. So sunscreen is important for cancer prevention and prevention of precancerous lesions even. It's also very important for patients who have acne or scarring on the face because the sun can actually worsen those things. Sun can actually worsen other conditions like lupus, so it's very important for patients with that or something like melasma to be able to use it every single day. Any spot on the skin that you're worried about, you should definitely have checked out by a professional. There's a few guidelines that we go by called the ABCDs that are a reminder of what you should be looking for and what you would like to get checked out. A is for asymmetry, so anything irregular. B is for borders. Anything with irregular borders, little legs sticking out the side of your mole is not normal. C is for color, so irregularities in your color, whether it's brown on one side and dark black on the other, that's something you'd want to get checked out. D stands for diameter. Anything larger than the size of a pencil eraser or 6 millimeters is something you'd want to get looked at. And E is for evolving. So anything growing, changing, or new, you'd want to have looked at.